Today I'm going to Miami to, what am I gonna do? I have to, I don't know, I just wanna go. So let me go check the airplane. Clear prop! 1 2 1 2 1 2. Yes, yes, yes. We are here and we are alive. Let's get that ATIS.
Fort Lauderdale Executive Time Information, Quebec. Time 1747 Zulu. Wind 090 at 16. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 3,300. Temperature 27, dew point 19er. Altimeter 3031. ILS localizer runway 9er approaching use. Landing prime runway 9er and 13. Notice airman. Use caution for multiple taxiway closures east of runway 13 and south of runway 9er. Expect progressive taxi. Taxiway Gulf between runway 9er and taxiway Foxtrot closed. Use caution for a power line 0.5 nautical miles east the approach end. Runway 27, 60 feet, AGL. Runway 9er and runway 27 Pappies are out of service. Use caution. Bird advisors in effect. Use caution. Drone activity is authorized in the class Delta Ider below 400 feet. Initial contact, advise you ATIS information, Quebec.
Quebec. Alrighty, AOPF, where I'm gonna request 9 left. I'm going to the east of the airport. So I'm gonna go at 1,000. Let's get a clearance. Frequencies of that airport. ATIS, CTAF. CTAF, you mean tower, 13467, and ground, 120.02. The frequencies here, I already know that. I talk to myself a lot. I'm now noticing that. I didn't notice that before. Okay, so I have my airport diagram of where I'm going. Weather has been checked, everything's good, airplane has been checked. Executive clearance, November 3524 Quebec is PA-28 departing to the southwest with Quebec.
Or 3524 Quebec, executive clearance, roger, contact ground for taxi.
3524 Quebec to ground. Let's check the brakes. Brakes feel excellent. I was the last one who flew this airplane. I know that airplane is in good working condition, but I checked it. So I know for sure that it's in perfectly. Whoa, there's a guy doing some crazy maneuvers right there on another PA-28. Looks like climbing on BX. Executive ground, November 3524 Quebec is at hotel, ready to taxi.
November 3524 Quebec, executive ground, runway 9er, taxi via Echo, confirm information, Quebec.
9er via Echo to runway 9, 3524 Quebec, does have Quebec. Alright, so we taxi on the right tank, pump on, left tank, brakes are set, just change to the left tank, trim, flight controls, left is left, right is right, up is up, down is down, and they feel excellent. 1, 2, 3 of flaps, initiator lights, airspeed in attitude, altimeter, CG, I'm assuming locked, 2000. Left, both, right, both, carb heat off, 5 on the vacuum, good oil pressure, good oil temperature, 30 amps, both tanks are full, good fuel pressure, airplane feels good, back to 900. Executive tower, November 3524 Quebec, holding short of 9, ready.
November 8, still not receiving your transponder. You do need an operating transponder to operate within 30 miles of Class Bravo airspace. Say intentions.
Yes, you do.
Roger that. I'm actually on my way down to Tamiami for avionics, so I'll just go out west, and if you just put me where you want me.
November 8, you just need an operational transponder to operate within. You either come back to land and get it operational, or standby.
He needs to get a ferry permit for that, to be able to move that airplane in within 30 miles of the Class Bravo, Miami Class Bravo.
November, you need to return back to executive. Turn right, proceed direct to numbers, runway 9er, number 2, cleared to land. Traffic's on a 6-mile final of Cessna, and then you need to contact Miami Center and get a waiver to get down to Opelika.
Yep.
Roger, we'll do that. I'm in the turn right now, looking for the 6-mile final, and straight in for runway 9.
And you are cleared to land at November 8th.
Thank you. 800 feet, coming straight in for 9.
All right. Ooh, there's this guy coming in for landing. Let's judge his landing. Let's judge him. He's coming in at good speed. Looking good. Oh my God, it's so hot. Hurry up and clear me. Whoa, that airplane looks so pretty. Flare, flare. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. There you go. Nice.
Look to the end, wait for it to get slow, not too much lower than this. Hold it.
November 2 for Quebec, make right downwind departure, main clear, class Charlie airspace, runway 9 are clear for takeoff, traffic's on a 3-mile final.
Runway 9, clear for takeoff, right traffic to Fort Quebec.
Traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles, 1,000 feet below.
It is uncomfortably bumpy today.
November 2 for Quebec, traffic heading to your right, 3 miles on final, citation 1,600. Remain south of the extended center line, remain clear, class Charlie airspace.
Roger to Fort Quebec, I'm looking for that traffic.
3 Hotel Alpha, traffic heading to your right, 2 miles on the downwind westbound at Cherokee at 1,000.
773 Hotel Alpha, we're looking.
2 Fort Quebec, I have the traffic on site.
2 for Quebec, roger, remain clear, class Charlie airspace, frequency change through Top Day.
Frequency change approved, remain clear of Charlie to Fort Quebec. Let's listen to that ATIS.
Doc, do you have information X-ray?
Information X-ray.
Tower information X-ray, time 1753 Zulu observation. Wind 100 at 16. Visibility 10. 3,500 scattered, 4,300 scattered, ceiling 6,000 broken. Temperature 272.18, altimeter 3030. ILS runway 9 left approach in use. Landing and departing runway 9 left, 9 right, 12. Notice airman, crane 1.1 mile east southeast of the airport at or below 187 feet. Additional cranes 1.7 miles west-northwest of the airport at or below 172 feet. Advisories, clearance delivery combined with ground at frequency 120.02. Use caution, increase bird activity. Advise on initial contact, you have information X-ray.
X-ray. Alright, so that's Opelika Tower 13467 now. Let's go to the tower. Alright, 1,000 feet, cruise checklist has been checked, no traffic, all systems green. If anything happens right now, I'll head for the Everglades, but nothing's gonna happen, so I'm good to go. Remain clear of Charlie. Whoa, man, it's so bad. That heat. Got a nice tailwind right now. Going 115 knots. At 2200 RPM. 2200 RPM usually it's like in the 80s, 90s and 80s.
Number 352 for Quebec, roger, ident.
2 for Quebec, ident.
Number 2 for Quebec, ident observed 4 miles north-northwest of Opelika, altitude indicates 1,000, fly south, make straight in for runway 9 right.
Could I get 9 left? I'm going to over to the east side, 2 for Quebec.
Number 2 for Quebec, that'll be traffic departing, continue south, make straight in for runway 9 right, I'll advise as you get closer.
Roger, 24 Quebec, going south, headed for 9 right.
Traffic, 10 o'clock, 2 miles.
Number 24 Quebec traffic, 11 o'clock, mile and a half, westbound, VFR aircraft indicating 500 feet.
24 Quebec, I'm looking for that traffic. I got the airport on site. Yeah, such a good feeling when when you got that airport on site.
Number 24 Quebec, the traffic is no factor now northbound, passing out to left side 500.
24 Quebec, Roger.
Number 24 Quebec, and make straight in for runway 12, I'll advise for 9 left.
Straight in for 12, 24 Quebec. 5. Landing checklist has been checked. I see runway 12. Come on, give me 9 left. He's gonna give me 9 left.
Number 24 Quebec, amendment instructions, fly south, make straight in for runway 9 or left, report a 4 mile straight in.
Flying south, 24 Quebec, then for 9 left. That 8,000 foot runway. Gigantic runway.
Cap 830, turn left, golf, contact ground.
Stone Golf and contact ground, Cap 830.
Pre-landing checklist.
7 Victor, runway 9, right clear for takeoff, make right close
That's been
traffic.
checked.
Clear for takeoff, and flight 7 Victor. Runway 9, dead right.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. It's what I do to relax, because I've been nervous. First time at this airport.
Number 24 Quebec, you can begin your turn from there, runway 9 left, clear to land number 2, you're following a Piper aircraft on left base.
Clear to land number 2, 24 Quebec, and I'm looking for that traffic. Nice. Juliet. Yeah. I'm not sure if that happened during the hurricane or if that was an accident.